episode 3. Welcome to Diary of a Stay-at-Home Mom, and we are talking about how to get your family on board the healthy living journey and structure, okay? The role of structure in this process. And we've been talking about creating that structure and implementing it, and now we're actually going to talk about breaking these things down, how to delegate responsibilities to everybody in the family, because now it's a family matter. Okay, so when you hear fit fam, it's fit family, all right? And so it's not just about a cliche of trying to fit into a stereotype that the people in this world or this industry has created for you. It's you writing your own rules, you putting your health in your hands, the health of your family in your hands. In everybody has a role to play, right? You trying to reduce your healthcare costs, right? Doctors, most hospitals will not tell you these things because they want to get your money. Okay, so because I want you to save money, I want you to be enjoying your life because who doesn't want to enjoy life? Me, if you think about a life, my ideal life, I love to travel. I want to travel, and even if I've not traveled out of the shores of Africa yet, I am looking forward to traveling, and I'm sure that when I begin, I am going to be letting you guys in on it. We're going to be doing a lot of vlogs together by the special grace of God. So before then, before we begin to dive into all of that, I'm just here to share with you what you can do, how you can delegate responsibilities to your younger ones, to your children, to any member of your family, okay? Either it's your mother, your father, anybody, your brother, your sister, whatever. Just get them on board and tell them that we're getting the whole family on board. Okay, so it is not just about trying to only me doing the journey by myself. Okay, it's frustrating that way. We want everybody to be together on the same page. Okay, so we'll dive right into how to create delegate responsibility. We've talked about how you can educate them, right? And now creating responsibility and delegating it is like, for example, you want to begin to eat healthier. Probably anybody that goes out, you tell the person to get vegetables, you tell the person to get more fruits. There's another person that is going to get the onions, whatever it is that you guys have decided to do. First of all, let me take it from the very beginning. You guys do like a pantry audit. Okay, first of all, do like a pantry audit. And what do I mean by a pantry audit is taking stock of what you have in your fridge, in your store, cereal, whatever, beverages, everything. Write it all out. Onions, tomatoes, pepper, green pepper, egusi, vegetables, and all fruits, everything that you have, write them all out, including the junks. As long as it's in your pantry, write them all out. Okay, so you begin to strike out and tick off the things that that don't need to be there. For those people that like the 2-minute noodles and all those things, and that you're dealing with hypertension, maybe you have sausages and that you are dealing with hypertension. Those things have MSG, high sodium content in them, and you're supposed to be running away from them and not eating them. So you need to know what you need to replace those things with. Buying more bananas in the house. So when you go out, you're able to tell somebody, you delegate the responsibility to the person and say, this is what you need to buy. We are running out of banana in the house. Please help us get banana on your way back home. All right, so these are the things you begin to do. What if you now want to begin to get probiotics, the things that you want to substitute on that pantry list, you begin to write them out also. So substituting the things that you have on your pantry list, striking them out and replacing them with the right things. So this is how you create structure. It's very simple, but you have to be intentional about it. So let me know in the chat room what you are doing currently. Most times, most of us, like I said in the very first episode, that we are doing these things subconsciously, but we just don't know that that's it. And I'm here to give you, to voice it to you that you are doing a phenomenal job already. So all you need to do is just create that awareness and intentionality and bring the family on board, and it will be a lot more easy. It will be easier for you. So let me know if there's anything that you need to know again about this healthy lifestyle and how you can bring your family on board. I will share, probably if you guys interact with this video, I might share my story, but this is about you. I want you to learn, I want you to implement, I want you to take home this exercise and begin to do them for yourself. These are the things that I do with my clients, and if you want to if you want a further consultation with me, I'll drop the link in the bio so that you can have a free consult for 15 minutes with me, and we will break down what you need to do. Okay, we could have accountability. We have accountability plans also. If you are interested, it is not, if you can do it by yourself, that's fantastic. If you feel like you need a coach to help guide you, a professional to help you create a plan for you, a meal plan that you can use right with your family, we are happy to help you with that. Okay, so this is me signing out, and I will see you in the next video. Please drop a comment, let me know what you want me to talk about, and I'll be happy to share with you. See ya. Bye.